Meta's AI image generator struggles with depicting couples of different races, often showing bias towards same-race pairings. Prompts like Asian man with white wife result in inaccurate images, raising concerns about the AI's racial depiction. Meta AI generates images of Asian couples instead of diverse pairings, indicating a bias in its image creation. The AI's tendency to age Asian men differently from women and add culturally specific attire shows subtle biases in its output. Google's Gemini image generator faced similar scrutiny for overcorrecting diversity, leading to bizarre results in depictions. Meta AI's struggles with depicting race raise questions about the platform's accuracy and safeguards in image generation. The company describes Meta AI as in beta, acknowledging its prone nature to mistakes and inaccuracies in responses. Meta AI's challenges extend to answering questions about current events and public figures, highlighting its limitations.